Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is my third and I believe final Paradise Delivered subscription service box. I told you guys that I had subscribed to this for 3 months so I could share with you guys how it was. So far, I think I've been liking the box a lot. It's not something that I need to be subscribed to or that I miss terribly, but it's a pretty good box to be subscribed to. I'll link the price here because I don't have this one memorized for some reason. So I'll have the price down here as usual. So let's just jump right in. So we do always get our little card that tells us everything that's in the box. And this is what it looks like. First thing in here is super cute, and this is a cap. And this is the Vivian Rowe Good Vibes baseball hat. And this retails for $24. And it says Good Vibes. It's really cute. I like it. All right, let's keep it on, even though it doesn't match, but let's keep it on. All right, next thing in here, this is big. This is a full-size product, and this is from Brilliance, New York. And this is Hair Couture Essential Hydration Argan Oil Repair Hair Mask. I love repair hair masks. And this one retails for, where are you? $40. Oh my gosh. Wow. $40. That's crazy. Crazy. I want to smell it. Oh, this smells nice. It smells clean. It doesn't really smell too much like argan oil, which I would think I would have preferred that it smelled like argan oil. But it's okay. I always love to have a hair mask. Next thing in here seems like it would be jewelry, and this is from Get Gem. This is a cute little bag. And this is a pave triangle necklace for $62. I can't. But it's very pretty. This one I do like. So that's what that looks like. It's very pretty. And you can use code SWAG15 if you want 15% off at shopgetgem.com. It's really pretty. I would never pay $62 for this though. It's not that pretty for me to pay that. All right, next thing in here is a hand cream, and this is from Ibla, and this retails for $24, and this is an ultra hydrating hand cream, Sicilian honey and aromatic botanicals. Let's smell this. It doesn't smell like honey. Oh, nice. I just shoved that right up in my grill. Let's try some of this hand cream. You guys know I'm not a big fan. I've already mentioned this several times. I'm not a big fan of lotions because I'm very lazy to apply them, and then they're always like just sitting around. I don't know if I like the smell of this. Oh no, I don't like the smell of this cream. It's very soft though, but I don't like the smell. All right, next thing in here are 5 lip hydration masks from Vermilion, and those retail for $14. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. You just put them on your lips, and that's pretty much it. This is nice. Next thing in here is from Daily Concepts, and this is the multifunctional soap sponge Mother of Pearl. Oh yeah, these are those sponges that you wet. Those are cool to have too. And this one is $12. Next thing in here is from Deuce or Douce. I never know how to pronounce that. And this retails for $21. And it says it's the Fine and Fierce Graphic Pen. This is an eyeliner. Not a fan. So I always include eyeliners in giveaways because I don't really use them. And then the last thing in here, which I always enjoy, this is probably like my favorite part of this box, is that all the months that I've gotten, there's always a book in here. So this one is a New York Times bestseller, and I think they always include a bestseller. So that's kind of cool. This one is called I Was Told There'd Be Cake, Essays by Sloane Crosley. So it says this New York Times best-selling book by acclaimed author Sloane Crosley is a hilarious and profoundly genuine collection of essays chronicling the struggles and unexpected beauty of modern life. That's cool. That's cool. I always love getting books. Like, books are everything, to be honest with you. I love getting books. So yeah, guys. So in this box, we got this book. We got a hand cream. We've got this necklace. We got the Brilliant New York hair mask. We've got an eyeliner. We've got lip masks. We've also got a sponge, and I think that's all, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm missing something. Oh, and we've got the baseball cap. So guys, overall, this is definitely a good box. Like, I do think it's worth it because you get a lot of products for the price that you pay. I just don't think it's a subscription service where you like have to be subscribed, but it's definitely a nice treat to have. It's kind of like the Inspo box. Even though I like the Inspo box a little more than I like this one, but this one is also like a really nice treat. Like, I like getting a book every month. I like getting like a piece of jewelry. I like getting something from the hair. It's overall across the board. So I do definitely enjoy it. And I wouldn't mind staying subscribed. I don't know if I will stay subscribed, but I wouldn't mind staying subscribed to this box at all. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and all of that. All right, my love. See you next time. Bye.